Right, I'm gonna need these. Welcome to Module 3. Now Module 3 is where we're going to tie up some loose ends for Module 2 and we're going to lay the foundation, the groundwork for Module 4 where we're going to get into a lot more code. But we've got ourselves into a situation and I'll explain here. What we've learned so far is code, like the ifs and the loops and things like that. That's the green dice. And we've learned about writing SVGs, so that's the blue dice there. And the logic is all mixed in together. So what we've done is we've gone, let's figure out if we're going to draw a line or not, make that decision, then immediately draw the line. And we've got like all this code and an SVG mixed in. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to separate out all the code so it lives up here. This is going to be the thing that does all our design. And then we're going to tidy this up. So this is the thing that's going to build the SVG. And to do that, we're going to have to get our code to do the design, package up that design somehow, and then move the design over to the SVG writing code to write out the SVG. So in the first video, we're going to be talking about how we package things up, which is going to be using arrays and dictionary objects. Cool. The next one is how we then write the SVG separately down here. But then wait, there's more. Because we've figured out our design here and we've packaged it all up, then we want to display it onto a canvas object. So we're going to have some canvas code over here, which will allow us to display what we're doing on the HTML page. And as we change things, we can actually see what's happening to the design, because we'll go from here, package it up, send it to the canvas object to view, and then if we like it, send it on to the SVG file to print. Then in the fourth video, what we're going to do is, because we've got the code here to write an SVG and canvas here, and that's not going to change, but our design is going to change quite a lot. We're going to neaten up and separate these things out. So these can stay in a separate file and just stay all the same. We don't have to touch them very much. And we can focus just on working on this code and changing it and doing what we like. Then as a bonus, we're going to introduce, in addition to write out an SVG, some code to write out G code as well. So we can send our lines to the SVG or to the G code, so we can send them to other plotters, CNC machines, any gerbil based, GRBL based pen plotters, things like that. Bonus, some G code, SVG, canvas, code. That's what this module is all about. So let's talk about, in the next video, how to package up our lines.